Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we saw the main part of the book inventory control system. Here, in this class, I am going to teach the login form. Right now, what I am going to do is here go to my this is my project book inventory. Select the package book. This one. Right click. New JFrame form. Here we have to give the class name as login finish. Right now your form has been created successfully here. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to go to the palette and drag one panel here. Right click, properties. Here we have to select the border property, this one. You have to bevel this one, border, click OK, close it. Now what I am going to do is here go to the palette, drag the label, and we have to drag two text boxes. And we have to drag two buttons. Like this one should be login. This one should be cancelled. Right here we need to put one heading, this one here as I am going to put as login. Select this one, right click, properties, fonts. We have to increase the font size as 24 big bold, click OK. Perfect. Now here we have to make it as a bold. 36 we have to make it as. Right, perfect. Right, the simple one we have to make. Right now here we have to select this one label, edit, we have to username. This one should be username, this one should be password, edit password. Right now here this text box, select and edit text, backspace to remove. This one select, edit text, backspace to remove. Right now select this text box, change variable txt user, click OK. This one select, change text txt pass, click OK. Right now what I am going to do is I am going to write the code for that. Select the login button, event action perform. Here we have to check. Right, first I am going to create two variables, string variables. I am going to create string user name equal txt user dot get text. After that we have to create another one, is a string pass equal txt pass dot get text. Right now here I am going to check if the user enter the username and password. If the username and password correct, it successfully log into the main page. Right, if the username and password do not match, it show the error, invalid username or password. Right, we have to do the validation like this. So here we have to check the condition. If username dot equals, we have to check equals, we have to give the username as admin, password and we have to check AND operator, using AND operators to check, and here we have to check password pass dot equal into equals to 1 2 3. Right. If the username and password is correct, it's log into the main form. So we have to write main form, right? This one page, right? So we have to write main m, we have to create the object m equal new main. Current form we have to hide, so we have to write simply write this dot set visible false. You have to write like this, false. Me dot m dot set visible true. Show the form, main form, right? If the username and password correct. If the username and password do not match, go to the else part. You have to show the error as j option pan dot show message dot show message dialog. This here we have to write username or password do not match. Username or password do not match. Right, this is a thing we have to show. Right, now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right, go to the default configuration. Here we have to set this one as a login. When the login, this one, click login, click OK. Right here, when the form is loaded, it should load at the center. So right click, properties, code generate center, close it. Now we will be able to run again. Right, here we have right admin 123, click login. We'll be able to log in the system successfully. Now here, if you want to log the system as a correct wrong username and password, do not match. Now I have to cover another stuff is password field is not show to everyone. He have to give the things as password character here. So that what I'm going to do is here, select the text box. You have to remove them. Instead of that, we have to go to the palette. We have to search the things password field text box. You have to put it here. Right here, select this one, right click, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text, select again, change the name as txt pass, click OK. Right, now let's check everything's perfect. Now let's check admin 123, it's working fine. Click login, it goes to the form. Right, now I have created one cancel button. So select the cancel button, right click, event, action perform. Here we have to write the code to cancel the page. So you have to write system dot exit 0. It will be cancel it. Right, that's the thing we have to write. Now another stuff we have to do is we have to run it. You can check if we cancel, system should be cancel it. Right, now what I'm going to do is here, go to the main.java. Here I have written one exit button. If it is exit, instead of exit, we have to change this one as a logout. Right, if you press logout button, it goes to the login page. Right, so you have to write action perform. You have to write like this, login l equal new login l dot here. What's the problem? Login, here the problem is here, like this. We write like this, l dot set visible true. At the same time, this dot set visible false, current form you have to hide. Right, this is the thing we have to write here. Right, now let's run and check. Right here, now admin 123, click login. You will be able to log in the system. Now if you want to log out the system, click log out. Here it will be log out the system successfully. Now another important stuff you have to do is go to the login.java page. Here, if the username and password do not match, it show the error. At the same time, we have to clear the text box as well. So we have to write txt user dot settext clear. Same thing, controls, copy this control C, copy control V to paste here. This one should be pass. You have to clear. After that, we have to cursor will be focused on the txt user dot requires focused. We need to focus on here. That's the thing we have to do. Right, now let's check. Here, do not match, click OK here. Form should be clear and focus here. If you enter the right username and password and click login, you will be able to log in the system. Right? You will be, everything will be fine. Perfect. Right, very simple system. I made it. Very simple system. I made it. Everything fine. You must try this one. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.